Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change my booking on Swiss Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Swiss Airline account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account in Swiss? Pretty simple. Launch in browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type swiss.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Swiss. Once again, to the website, at the top right corner, you're going to see the login/registration button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Swiss. Now, once you get into this homepage, how do you change your booking on Swiss Airline? I'm going to show you right away. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Book and Prepare, My Booking, and Discover Swiss. Go ahead and click on My Booking, and it takes you right into this window where you have two categories with extra options under them. You have Manage and you have Extra Services. Now, under Manage, you have check-in, you have flight status, you have Manage bookings, seat reservations, rebook, cancellation and refund, passenger receipt, delayed and damaged baggage. Now, I'd like you to head over to Manage Bookings and click on Manage Bookings, and that's going to take you right into this window where you can now enter your booking details for you to, of course, manage your booking. Now here it says no booking available. There are no upcoming booking in your profile. If you have upcoming booking, please add them to My Booking. So you don't have any booking here, but if you do, you're going to see all your bookings here. So for you to change your booking, go ahead and click on the booking that you want to change. And once you click on the booking that you want to change, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have a couple options, and one of them includes Change My Booking. So go ahead and click on Change My Booking option. Once you click on the booking you want to change, you're going to see Change My Booking. Click on Change My Booking option. And once you click on the Change My Booking option, it's going to take you to the next window where you have a couple of options that you can change in your booking. Let's say your flight date, flight time, or even the flight itself. Change your seats. There are a couple of options that you can choose once you get into the Change My Booking window. So follow through with the step-by-step process and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.